Yeah, welcome back children. So now we'll see from exercise 10.3 fifth problem. The problem tells about there is a cylindrical figure whose diameter 7 centimeters and height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters. What happened in that a cone whose radius 3 centimeters, height 4 centimeters was inserted. So now the question is, what is the remaining volume after inserting the both conical parts in the cylinder? So if you look at D7, so R is equal to D by 2. Simple, 7 by 2 centimeters. I don't want to write fractional form again. Okay. Now find the volume of the cylinder. Okay. Pi R square H. So pi is nothing but 22 by 7. R value 7 by 2. R square, so 2 times, and height 10, right? So 2 ones are 2 5 times, 7 get cancelled, 11 times. So simple, 11 sevens are 77 into 5, so 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 385, yeah, so 385 centimeter cube. So it is a volume of the cylinder. Now, what of the quantity the conical parts is occupied in the cylinder, we have to get it. Okay, and the both conical parts with the same size, the same radius with the same height. Okay, now volume of a cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. So what I want to write, volume of two conicals, that means 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? Next 2 into, why should I write 2? Because I am talking about the two figures, right? So 2 into 1 by 3, pi value 22 by 7, r value 3 into 4. Yes. Any cancellations? 3 get cancelled. Okay. Any cancellations again? Nothing. So by 7 as it is. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 into 22. Yeah, simple, I can write 48 again, 48. 528 by 7. 528 by 7 centimeter cube. Yeah, it is a volume of the two conical figures. Okay, these two conical figures. Now what I want to write, volume of a remaining solid is equals to total volume, that means volume of cylinder minus volume of two cones. Right, then we'll write 385 by minus 528 by 7. Okay, do the division part of 528. So 52, 7 4s, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49. Okay, 7 7s are 49. Am I right? 38. 38. 38. So 7 5s are 35. 3.30. 7 4s are 28. 2. So 2. Yeah. So we'll write 385 minus 75.42. 75.42. So simple, I'll write 385.00 because it is a round figure number. Next I'll write 75.42. So it should borrow from here 4 and it will become 10 after getting borrow. After taking borrow it has become 9, overall 10. 10 minus 2 8, 5 point, so 4 not possible, 7 14, so 9 0. Yeah, so overall answer is 309.58 centimeter cube. So that is our remaining volume of the remaining solid figure. Okay, right. Yeah, once we will discuss about this figure. It is actually the major cylinder. In that, two conical figures are fixed. That means the two conical figures are occupied some of the space in the cylinder. So that we have to subtract it here. Correct? Right? Right. We'll go with the sixth problem now. Yeah, the sixth problem is, there is a spherical marble. There is a spherical marble who of diameter 1.4 centimeter. 1.4 centimeter. Now, that marble has dropped in the cylindrical beaker of diameter 7. Yeah. Yeah, cylindrical okay, I'll write it. Cylinder, and he said spherical marble, I'm right? Sphere, spherical is nothing but sphere. Spherical marble. What does he say? The spherical marble has a diameter 1.4 centimeter. Yeah, marble. Yes. Next, the cylindrical vessel beaker has a diameter 7. Here the D value is 7 centimeters. Right. So now the spherical marbles are dropped in the beaker. Then such that so the water level has increased to 5.6 centimeter. So full, I think you take height of the things. Okay, 5.6 centimeters. At a certain height. Don't take full beaker. Okay, up to here. Just imagine. So number of spherical marbles I put in the beaker, then the water level raised to 5.6 centimeters. Okay, the height of the water raised. So already if you take basic level of water, from here to the water level has increased 5.6 centimeters. Then what should we find? So how many number of marbles to require to raise the water up to 5.6 centimeters? So diameter has given already. So I will write radius is equal to d by 2. So that is nothing but 7 by 2 centimeter. So here radius is nothing but d by 2 and 1.4 by 2. Simple will write as 0.7. Here I can get cancelled because it is in even number. It's odd number, so I make it a simple. Yes. Now height. Height, the water increased 5.6 centimeters. So that is will treat it as height. Now volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder will take it as a pi r square h. Then pi value 22 by 7, r value 7 by 2, 7 by 2, height value 5.6. 7 get cancelled, 11 times 2.8. So simply we'll write 77 into 2.8. Obviously 2.8. Now 7 8s are 56 pi carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 5, 19. Again we'll get the same. 6, 15, 10, 11. So 215.6. Okay. Let. Right. Look it now. Now we have to find what is the volume of the marble. It is a spherical marble, am I right? So volume of a marble. So marble, it's a spherical, am I right? So volume formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right? Right? So we'll write 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r value 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.7. 7, 0.1. Any cancellations? Nothing. Nothing get cancelled. Okay. 4 by 3. Okay. Just we'll see better. 22 4s are 88. 88 by 3 into 1 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10. Now look at 3 zeros. I'm right. So we'll write it as 3000 and 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 88. 8 9s are 72, 7 carry, 32 plus 7, 39. 293 1 3 4. So simply we'll write 4312 by 3000 centimeter cube. It is the volume of the one marble. So what I'll write, let number of marbles. So let number of marbles n. So by the problem, so what problem tells us? We used n marbles, okay? So volume of a marble, that is equals to volume of a cylinder. What is the water quantity? So that volume I'm talking. I'm not talking about entire the cylinder, okay? So now we'll substitute that. Now we'll substitute that n into 4312 by 3000 is equals to this one, 215.6. We'll erase it some part. Yeah. So n is equals to, we'll write 215.6 into 3000 by 4.312. If you trying to remove the decimals now, so we'll write 2156 by 10 into 3000 by 4312 by 1000. Okay, it is already denominator part. Again denominator part as a fractional part, correct? So try to get reverse now. So simple, we'll write 2516 by 10 into 3000 by 4312 into 1000. The 1000 has goes to upper side. Sorry, here, because already it is 4312 only, no? So 4312, 4312, yeah, 4312. Now this is a simplification, right? Now if you look at 2516 into 2, so 2 6 12, 1 carry, 10 plus 11, okay, 1 3 4, yeah, 4312. So simple, ones are, twos are, right? 0 0 get cancelled, right? So simple answer 350 by 2, it's nothing but 150. What is 150? 150 is a n. What is n? Let number of marbles is n. That means we required 150 marbles to raise the water level up to 5.6 centimeters. Okay, got it? Okay, got it. Then we'll go with the seventh problem, beta. Yeah, problem number 7. Yeah, what is the problem number 7? Actually, there is a cuboid box. I think it's a pen holder. Yeah, it's a pen stand. What happened? So in the box they made only 3 conical holes. 3 conical holes. Now what should we find? Now we have to find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. Okay. So after making conical holes, what is the remaining? The left area of the wood we have to find. Okay. So now, so 2 things we can see. First figure, it is a cuboid, right? Second figure, it is a conical figure. So simple cone, correct? So length he has given, that is 15 centimeters. BH, cuboid, no? So B value 10 centimeters. And H value is 3.5 centimeters. Now what is given that? Okay, the radius of the each of the depression is 0.5 centimeters. Yeah. So radius he has given, that is 0.5 centimeters. Depth depth. So the depth only we can treat it as a height, right? So that is 1.4 centimeters. The depth of the conical shape is 1.4. So now we'll find the volume of a cuboid. That is LBH. Correct? Next, volume of a cone. That is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. Now we'll find cone. So volume of one cone, because we have three conical figures, am right? So 1 by 3 into pi, 22 by 7 into r square, 0.5 into 0.5 into 1.4, right? Right. Any cancellations? Yeah. 1s are 0.2, correct? Right. By 3, yeah, by 3, just write down remaining 22, 0.5 will write it as 5 by 10, next 5 by 10, next we'll write 2 by 10, correct? 5 2s are 10, okay, get cancel. Next, 25, 22 into 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 11, 110. So 110 by 110 by it is 300, correct? So 11 by 30. 11 by 30. So now what I'll write? Volume of 3 cones I'll write. So simple, I'll write 3 into 1 cone volume, we got it 11 by 30. 3 1s are 3 10s are. Simple, will write 1.1 centimeter cube. It is the volume of 3 cones. Now volume of cuboid then is equals to L value 15, B value 10 and H value 3.5, that will write it as 35 by 10. 10 10 get cancelled. 15 into 35. So 35 15. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 15 plus 2 17 and 1 5. Yeah, 5 12 3. Yeah. So 325 centimeter cube, right? So what I want to find, volume of remaining is equals to volume of a cuboid minus volume of 3 cones. So simple, will write 325 point minus 1.1. So if you go with here, so 325.0, so we'll write a 1.1. So take borrow, it's a 10, 9, 3, 2, 3. So 10 minus 1, 9, 4 minus 1, 3. So simple, answer is 323.9 centimeter cube. So it's a answer. (35 into 15). Am I on 35 into 15? Yes. Look at 25. 2's carry. 3 5s are 15 plus 17. Next. Oh, sorry. Here 35 beta, and here we'll take 5. 5. Yeah, 5. Here the ending 5. So simple answer 523.9. Right? Right. So this is a way of solving the problems. Okay. Okay. So by this problem 10.3 has completed. Now we are talking about a 10.4. So 10.4 tells us the first problem: a mechanical sphere of radius 4.2 centimeters melted. Sphere is melted. Yeah. Yeah, it is a sphere. The metallical sphere has melted. Radius r is equals to 4.2 centimeters. Next, and cast it into the shape of cylinder of radius 6 centimeters. Now it casts into a cylinder. Radius is equal to 6 centimeters. Then find the height of the cylinder. So what I want to say clearly, if you are melting a figure and shaping and converting into other one, simple one thing we have to remember: the volume of the old figure is equals to the volume of the new figure, because the spherical has melted and converted into cylinder form. So simply I can say volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of a sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of the cylinder formula pi r square h. Okay, right? So we'll substitute it. Sphere melted and casted into cylinder. So actually volume of a sphere is equals to volume of a cylinder. Am I right? So as we know, so here figure cylinder we have taken, no? So volume of a cylinder is equals to volume of a cone, as from diagrams. Okay, this is from formula, like a formula. So cylinder, volume cylinder formula pi r square h, and volume of the sphere, volume of the sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Correct? So pi and pi get cancelled because both are 22 by 7 constants. So r we can't cancel because r value here 6 and there 4.2. Right. So we'll write 6 into 6 into h, and r cube 4 by 3 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2. We need hm, right? So simple, h is equals to 4 by 3, 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 by 6 by 6, these two. Correct? So 6 ones are 6 sevens are 42. Simple, we'll write a 0.7. 6 ones are, we'll write a 6 sevens are, so 0.2. So 3 ones are 3, 4s are, right? Now left numbers are 4 into 1.4, that will write 14 by 10, 7 by 10, 7 by 10. (56, 49). 56 into 7 sevens are 49 by 1000. Am I right? So we'll write it as 56 49. 9 6 are 54. 5 carry beta. Oh sorry. 4 5 carry. 5 9 are 45 plus 5 50. Yeah. Next 4 6 are 24. 2 carry. 20 plus 2 22. 4 4 7 2. Right? Simple. We'll write 2744 by 1000. So here we have 3 zeros. So simply we'll write after 3 digits from right side of the number we'll put the decimal. So the height of the cylinder is 2.744 centimeters. It is the height of the cylinder. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. I think you understand. Thank you, have a nice day, beta.